So tri-tip is a really delicious cut of beef, but there's two important things about cooking tri-tip. One is using the right temperature, and the other is cutting the meat the right way. So in terms of temperature, I really like to do a nice low temperature roast. And if your oven is equipped with an oven meat probe, definitely use that to make sure you don't overcook the meat. Now, the other factors that will influence the results are using convection. Remember, when we roast meat in convection, the circulating heat helps keep moisture in the meat. It doesn't get drawn out and evaporated. What else is important? Put the meat on a rack in a shallow pan. Roasting racks are very easy to find nowadays. In fact, I recently saw at an Ace Hardware a selection of at least 6 different types of roasting racks. So it's a thing, they're available, so get a couple, they're very, very useful. Now when you're planning this meal, you've got your meat which is going to cook low and slow. It's going to have a high heat finish because that's what really brings out the flavor. Now what about the side dishes, the potatoes and peppers? Well, obviously they're going to take at least 25 to 30 minutes to cook, but when do you want them to be ready? That's right, when the meat has rested and been carved. So let's not rush to put this in. So we're going to estimate a 40-minute cooking time for the tri-tip. Resting, carving, let's add another 15 minutes just to be safe, almost an hour. So we'll give it a 30-minute head start before we put the potatoes and vegetables in. Now when the meat comes out, now we can increase their temperature in the oven and we can get that nice crisping on the peppers and potatoes that makes them so delicious. I've just given this tri-tip a simple dry rub and with some kosher salt and some barbecue seasonings. But I want to add a lot of flavor to the whole dish by making a broiled tomatillo salsa. So, given that you need low temperatures for this, moderate to high temperatures for this, and super high temperatures for this, how do you do it in one oven? Well, the truth of it is, to make it work, you would really need to make the tomatillo salsa first. In advance, of course, to give the oven time to cool down so you can put the meat in. Cooking is all about planning, and if you plan the timing and the temperatures, think it through, honestly, you'll have success, because with tools like convection and convection steam, honestly, they improve everyone's cooking. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.